mean, I feel like August or September, it'll start to get cold.
Ah, awesome. Let's chirp about it.
Yeah.
Yes, come in.
Guys, for the last time, it is 2 in the morning, and you are endlessly chirping.
Oh God, I'm sorry. We totally forgot. We'll keep it down.
Thanks.
Found through a city, cause I'm never getting it's at the bottom of the ninth, and I'm never gonna win this. Life hasn't turned out quite the way I want it to be.
Did you hear about how ostriches can't even fly at all?
Oh my God, what loser.
Come in.
You left worms all over the floors in the hallways, guys.
Why would you assume those are ours?
You're the only birds living here, okay? Everyone else human.
Maybe someone is really, really into fishing.
Or a worm scientist? Fine. We foraged for them, but then we got scared because they kept wiggling around. So we dropped them.
We'll get that cleaned up.
Wait, you're scared of the worms, but you're birds. Good job, guys. Good job.
Hungry?
Yes.
Disgusting.
Horrible.
It's so frustrating. Like, how do you know if it's open air or if it's a glass door?
The trick is you have to tap on it first. You can't fly full speed. Remember what happened to Phil?
Yeah.
What, Todd?
You're shitting all over my car!
Oh God, that was your car?
We did not know.
Why are you shitting in cars in the first place? Do it on the grass or something.
I personally prefer an aluminum surface for shitting.
Guys, listen, I work really long hours, you know? I just want to come home to a nice, quiet, and clean environment. But when you guys are chirping at 2 in the morning or leaving worms and poo everywhere, it makes it really hard for me, okay?
Oh my gosh. I totally know what you mean. Like, why do we even exist on this random floating rock in the middle of space, right? Like, any day, I could just run into a glass door. And it'll all be over.
Why can't doors be opaque?
What are you even doing here? Why aren't you flying around with your flock?
We got kicked out. Apparently we were being inconsiderate to the other birds.
I don't think that singing Nickelback for an entire migratory flight is inconsiderate, though.
No.
This is how you remind me of what I really
Stop!
am.
Yes, no, that is very annoying.
Oh my God, he's rejecting us. We don't fit in with our flock. We don't fit in with humans.
Okay, guys. Let's. You know what? Why don't we work together? Okay, try to solve some of these problems. I could help you recognize glass doors, and maybe you guys could be less difficult neighbors. Huh?
Oh, we love you too, Todd. Let's all go to a Nickelback concert.
Yeah!
No.
Yeah!